Hello friends and welcome to AK Agrawal Aptitude series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem on average speed. The given problem is a person drove 60 km at 30 km per hour and returned at a speed of 60 km per hour. Compute his average speed in km per hour over his return journey. So he is going 60 km at 30 km per hour and he is returning, means he is covering the same distance 60 km with a speed of 60 km per hour, and we have to determine his average speed. So just formula for average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. Here total distance, if you see, he is going 60 km and he is returning 60 km, so his total distance is 120 km. He is going 60 km and he is returning 60 km, so total distance is 120 km. And time taken for the first 60 km, because first 60 km he is covering with a speed of 30 km per hour, so 60 upon 30, distance upon speed will give you the time. 60 km divided by 30 km per hour is equal to 2 hours. So for going 60 km he takes 2 hours, and for returning 60 km, because he returned at a speed of 60 km per hour, he will take 60 upon 60 is equal to 1 hour. So total time to cover the complete journey is 2 hours plus 1 hour is equal to 3 hours. Now average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. Total distance is 120 km and total time is 3 hours. So average speed is equal to 120 upon 3 is equal to 40 km per hour. This is the answer. Thank you very much friends. You can follow me on Facebook also. Thank you very much.